Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Speak English together. I hope you are doing well and practicing your English every day. And I'm also great. So as you know, this is day 4 resources. And as I told you in a previous video, I will share what will I practice. So yesterday's videos I explain how you can describe your outside. It means like how can you speak in English whatever you see in the front of, like many trees and like where are you going, like that you can speak. So in this video I'm going to share with you the resources. With the help of these sentences you can easily describe anything outside. Like if you are going on the road, then you can say the road is very busy. And if you are working, then you can say I am going for work, like that you can say. So this video is going to be very helpful if you practice well. So in this video I'm going to share you many sentences and I hope you will practice and try to speak aloud, because when you speak aloud your mind memorize these sentences. So try to speak aloud. So I will share many sentences in this video and you can see and you will practice as I practice, like many sentences I practice for day 4. So you can see here and you can see here are many sentences and I hope you will practice. So speak aloud. As you see here are many sentences like road and street sentences. You can say the road is very busy today. Many vehicles are moving on the street. I can see people walking slowly. Some children are playing outside. The weather looks beautiful today and the sky is full of clouds. A bike is passing very fast. The traffic signals is red now. A man is talking on the phone and the street looks crowded. And you can also speak related nature sentences like the trees are moving because of the winds. Birds are flying in the sky. The sun is shining brightly. The air feels fresh today. I can hear birds singing. The weather is very pleasant. The leaves are falling on the ground. The flower looks colorful. The wind is blowing softly. The sky looks clear and blue. Like that you can practice related the nature sentences. Try to speak 3 or 4 times. That's way you speak better. And if you will practice more, this will help you a lot to describing like outside area. So I hope you will practice these sentences many times and these sentences will help you a lot. So here you can see market and shop sentences. So speak after me. Many people are buying vegetables. The shopkeeper is talking to the customer. The fruits are looking fresh. Some people are waiting in line. The market is very noisy. I can smell delicious food. One person is carrying heavy bags. A woman is choosing clothes carefully. The shop is full of customers. Everyone looks busy. I am walking on the road. I was observing everything around me. I am trying to speak continuously. I am learning new vocabulary. I feel more confident today. I am improving my fluency slowly. I am not afraid of making mistakes. I am enjoying this practice. I can speak better than before. daily practice is helping me a lot. So like that you can practice all the sentences related to working, market and shop sentences. This will help you to improve your English and try to speak after me. That's why I'm speaking, because I want you speak with me. That's way you can practice along with practice with me, because I practiced all sentences yesterday. As I told you, that's why I am speaking this sentence. I am speaking these sentences because I want you practice these sentences with me. So you can see here are a small story, related to yourself, and try to make your own story. Right now, I'm standing outside my house. The weather is very nice today. I can see many people walking on the road. Some vehicles are moving very fast. A few children are playing nearby. The wind is blowing softly and trees are moving. I am practicing English by describing everything around me. This is very good method to improve fluency and confidence. Like that, guys or friends, you can create your own story. Whatever sentences you speak and read, try to make a story with the help of these sentences. And these sentences will help you a lot. So this is all for today. I hope you will practice a lot in the front of mirror and try to write in your notebook and listen. Then after practice, so I will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.